Hi, this is a video on the collatz conjecture and a program I made in BASIC on the Ti-89 titanium. So this program, basically, I'll explain the collatz conjecture first. The collatz conjecture is like some mathematician said that if you have a number and if it's even, you divide it by 2, and if it's odd, you multiply by 3 and add 1. The result of both of those operations, if, for example, if it's divided by 2 or multiplied by 3 and added 1, the result of that will have the same rules applied to it than the previous number. Eventually, if the number goes through this sequence enough times, it'll eventually get to 1, at which point it'll multiply by 3 and add 1, and it'll become 4, divide by 2 and become 2, and then divide by 2 and become 1. And that's a cycle, but people don't count that. So basically, the guy gave $500 to whoever could, I guess, find a number which would disprove this. So a number which wouldn't go to 1. Now, so far it hasn't happened. But today, I have a program which can test this for any number between 1 and an 8 number digit. And so I'll demonstrate it for you right now. So it's asking for a number, and the number I'm going to give it is the number the 8-digit number which gives the most amount of steps. And that number is 63,728,127, and I'm gonna press enter, and you'll see what happens. Press enter. Here we go. As you can see, a bunch of numbers are appearing on the screen, and basically what the program is doing is it's going through all these numbers, applying all the dividing it by 2 and multiplying by 3 and adding 1. And it's basically doing that to that number. Now this number has the most steps, basically, and so that's what it's doing. It'll eventually get there. And at the end you can see that number that just appeared, 949, that's the amount of steps it took. So 949 steps, that's a lot. But it just tells you that, a lot of people think that these calculators are just really expensive for no reason. But, yeah, I mean, even if they could probably be made for a lot cheaper, I still think that this is really cool. You can't do this on any normal calculator. That's why I like it. Many people don't really realize all these things that you can do with the calculator, so you should learn how to do it. It's easy to learn. I mean, I might make a tutorial eventually, or not. I mean, I might. It's whatever. But yeah. I forgot. Basically, okay, so I have another program which basically does this for any number. Okay, so sorry, let me rephrase this. You input a number n, and this program will check n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 until it gets to 1, until the result of n minus, I guess, m equals 1. And basically, how many steps it takes will be displayed on a graph along with the number. It makes a pretty cool pattern. So if you want to see that, comment.